Hello guys, welcome to your Flight Sim channel. Today we will show you easily and brief steps for making a flight plan for a flight route from Paris to London. We will obtain the required data needed to be typed in the CDU of the FMC from a famous site called SimBrief. This site contains a free flight planning software for flight simulation. Wish you enjoy this video and the next two videos for the complete brief full flight. This is the main page of SimBrief. First, we click on Dispatch System in the drop menu under Dispatch, taking us to this page where we click on Create New Flight, taking us to this page. The reddish color fields are for the minimum required data to be filled in to produce the required flight plan. First, we insert the departure airport letter code for Charles de Gaulle International Airport. Lima, Foxtrot, Papa, Golf. Then we insert the arrival airport letter code, which is London Heathrow International Airport. Echo, Golf, Lima, Lima. Then we select our aircraft from this drop menu. Here, Boeing 737-800. As soon as we select our aircraft, the site makes its calculations producing the main routing data of the flight plan. Also, a simple route for the flight. Also, a simple route map for the flight. Here we may change units from kilograms to pounds. Then we click on Generate Flight. The site will generate now the flight plan we required. Here it is. Also with a simple map for the flight route, including all the necessary data we require for FMC programming. Some of these data are the departure airport, arrival airport, alternate airport, initial altitude, which is cruise altitude, coast index, route distance, average wind. Also some all necessary data about the weights. Also all necessary data about the weights and fuel required. Also the route of the flight, including the SIDS and stars, waypoints, and airways. As you see here, the takeoff runway 9R, the landing runway is 9L. As we go to the end of this page, we may find the flight plan downloads. We may click on this tab here. The drop menu will appear. Going to the end of this page, we will find the plans. We will find the flight plans for different versions of X-Plane and also for Zibo Mod 737. We may click on download to download the file required and then take a copy and paste it in this path. X-Plane output FMC plans. But I prefer to insert the required data by myself during FMC Programming. FMC Programming will be shown clearly in the next episode, which is one of 3 episodes playlist for the flight from Paris to London. This is the first episode. The second one is for the FMC Programming, and the third one is for a brief full flight from takeoff to landing from Paris to London. I like to add a hint here about alternate airport. An alternate airport is determined to have a backup airport to divert to if the plane can't land at the arrival airport. The reason for this are many. The reasons for this are many, ranging from severe weather conditions or ATC strikes, runway closures, or terrorist activities preventing aircrafts from landing at arrival airport. In this case, the pilot redirects the aircraft to the alternate airport. Moreover, we may click on this tab, View PDF. A PDF will be generated here for the Operating Flight Plan (OFP), including all the necessary data and much more for FMC Programming. If you find this episode useful, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.